as a vehicle. This is the 6th time they've held this summit, and on the Presidio's main parade lawn right there.
A great day to talk about the environment, to do hip hop, to do anything you want. It was just a darn nice day. And if you didn't like it where you were, drive 25 miles.
Right.
Hit 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and 100s.
There we go.
So, if I had a forecast anywhere in those ranges, I would have been fine today. San Francisco was actually in a good spot. You had the sun, cool temperatures. Inland, though, you probably want to fix the thermostat. East Bay Valleys into the hundreds today. Good news. Tomorrow, back into the 80s. Speaking of 80s, 83 degrees in San Jose, northwest wind at 12 miles per hour. That doesn't look so bad, but this is a little uncomfortable as you head out to Walnut Creek, still 95 degrees. You'll want to find some air conditioning there for your evening plans. Oakland, that's not a problem. It's 68. And you got a wind coming across the bay west-northwest at 21 miles per hour. Now let's take a close look at that Golden Gate Bridge commute, which you can see of it. And looking closely at those cars as they go by, do you see any windshield wipers moving a little bit? There's some mist out there with the low clouds, and it's now down to 59 degrees, so jacket weather in San Francisco. Now the good news, when you see all that fog and the winds picking up, air quality that was moderate today has switched back to good for tomorrow, so the air is going to be cleaner for us tomorrow with that stronger sea breeze. And those winds, though, they'll have to be watched. One spot to watch tomorrow, right there through the San Bruno Gap, right near SFO Airport. Might see gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. We'll be watching that for the afternoon. And another area of red, that's Solano County. The places today that were under the heat advisory will have a strong sea breeze going, and that could drop temperatures as much as 20 degrees cooler than the highs you just saw today. So we'll have some areas of low clouds inland across the inner bay, even into the North Bay valleys for the morning. And then as we move forward to the afternoon, a few high clouds also passing by. But look at the temperature trend tomorrow. The day starts out similar, though it will probably have more low clouds across the inner bay with 50s and 60s. Lunchtime temperatures 70s to low 80s, but here's the biggest change. By 4 o'clock in the afternoon, all indications are that we're going to be in the mid 80s around Morgan Hill. But look at Livermore, look at Fairfield. Fairfield, 107 degrees today. 82 is the expectation around 4 o'clock tomorrow. 70s and 80s across the North Bay, but a little chilly to finish the weekend from San Francisco over to Oakland. Now watch what happens as we head towards Monday. The sea breeze backs off, and just like that, you're back to 98 degrees in Fairfield. You see how important that sea breeze is for keeping those inland temperatures in check and also the air quality. Good news as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll begin to see the sea breeze strengthen a little bit. So kind of a happier medium there by Wednesday as we got 80s to near 90 inland and 60s and 70s bayside. Long range forecast right now. If you have plans up towards Yosemite, we could see monsoon moisture making a little bit of a comeback. Doesn't look like it's going to get as far west as the Bay Area, but by Wednesday you may notice some showers approaching the southern Sierra as we head towards the middle part of the week. So temperature roller coaster right ahead. Chilly, windy around the peninsula and coast tomorrow with 60s. Valleys enjoying that cool down into the 80s. Then another jump back up into the 90s Monday, and then things start to cool down towards the middle part of the week. A little more stable as we head towards the second half of the week. No 20-degree swings in temperatures like we're going to see between today, tomorrow, and Monday.
All right.
Nice
Keeping
summer.
track of all that.
Yeah. Thanks, Rob. Well, up next, the Supreme Court decision to